Hey, I am working on a video in Premiere and I need a layer behind this layer so that I don't have distractions. So let me show you how I would do that. First of all, I got my picture sized just right. There's another video on how to adjust scale and motion so you can get the zoom. And I want this picture to look just like this. Maybe make her bike a little bit further up. Now that's great. So I still have some of the edges here just because the way this picture was shot that aren't covered. So what I need to do is add black video behind it. That's the simplest way to do it. So I can, I'm looking for this new item, black video. Just click OK. It's going to end up over here in my bin, and it's going to end up just the exact size as that media I had clicked. And now look, I have black video behind it. It's simple as that. There are other ways you can do it. You could blur this video layer, and so it's less distracting. But I'm not interested in doing that now. So basically you would want to cut the video clip right here so you don't affect your whole video. You then go to effects and drag a blur on that part of your video. And then up in here in effect controls, you can adjust the blur. So I'm just telling you so you know, the main easy thing, black video right behind it. Now, if you wanted a certain color behind it, let me show you how you do that. Color map. Okay. Let's say I want red. Okay. Now it has that color mat. So I'm just going to move this black video over here. Put this color mat here. And you can get another picture and move it into the background. You can add a blur on it. There's a lot of different ways you can make it to where you don't see the video under it. But it's important that you do that when you're editing so it looks more professional and planned rather than novice. So now you know.